Hello again, it's me Sam to teach you how to draw Elizabeth's pet guinea pig. Now this one's going to be different because I'm not teaching you step by step how to copy it. I'm going to teach you how to draw it from any angle you want. We start with the basic shapes. It's going to be 3 circles. So, start with the head. It's kind of more of an oval, the head. And then, this is a side by the way. So then, another circle overlapping the first one. And then a third one overlapping that one. So 3 circles. And then, what you do is you connect these circles up together. So the head to the first bit of the body, you just want to do a simple line like that. But then between these two, it's a bit of a dip for the middle of his body. And then the legs, they're very small, sort of little guinea pig hands. They just connect to the bottom of the body like that. Then the other leg is the same. Small foot here, but then there's a line going up like this. You can do all of that in pencil and go over it again in pen to rub the pencil out later, which is where you can do all the detail. You'll do an eye like this. You can draw it however you want. The ears are sort of semicircle shapes here on the head, and it has a kind of pointy nose, but not too pointy. A little triangle for its nostrils. And then you just go over the lines you did already to make the shape of the guinea pig. Now usually guinea pigs have spots on them or markings, and you can do this wherever you want. I'm going to do it around the eyes here. You can be any colour, you can use coloured pencils or just do it black like I'm doing here. They can be anywhere. It's going to be over here, maybe on his butt, on his back. I'll show you how to do this the same way from the front now. The same 3 shapes. Because it's from the front, you want to start with the head shape. It's another oval sort of shape, not like a perfect circle. So that's the head. And then the circles get progressively bigger as you go further back. It's the second circle, and then the third circle. Because usually when you draw it from the front, it's not going to be completely flat. It'll be 3D, so the shapes will overlap and still stick out even if it's from the front. Then you draw the feet here. So the toes are kind of little bean shapes, like Vlad's body. And you just connect them up to the body. Same with this foot. And usually you can't really see the feet necessarily from the front. There might be one sticking out on the side there, like that. The ears are pretty much the same as from the side. Just do little semicircles. And the eyes are semicircles as well from the front. Guinea pig's eyes are kind of different from Boxton's eyes. Little semicircles here. They're quite far apart. That's how you can tell it's a guinea pig and not a rat. And then the nose is the same. That sort of arrow shape pointing down, but it's two lines like that. And you might do another line connecting down to the mouth. So now I'll just go over this again in pen. The eyes here. Might have them looking in two different directions. The nose. And when you're doing the lines, you might want to do a bit of fur, which is just kind of, just so it's not straight lines, just sort of a zigzag shape. Ears. Now when you're going over the circles, you don't want to just draw all the circles because it's from the front. So you might just stop here and then do it again, this circle. Not go all the way to the top, but just connect it instead to this circle. Like that, and then draw the feet. They actually have 4 toes. There. That then. And then again, add the spots if you want. Just add a bit of personality to the guinea pig and make it your own. That's from the front. So you can use this technique to make the shape of the guinea pig in any sort of direction. So it might be sort of 3/4 this time. It's super easy. Connect it up. Just connect it up here. Like that. So now I'm going to show you how they look when you rub out the pencil, which is the final step. All rubbed out now. These are the final drawings then. You can add colour to the drawings to finish them. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy drawing these guinea pigs.